Welcome to Class with Mathematics. Today we will solve the words problem of worksheet 3, question number 4. Now in question number 4 I am going to solve word problem of question number 4 part C. Now in question number 4 part C, a man borrowed 700 rupees from his friend. He promised to return back the amount after 6 months at an interest of 8% per annum. How much money will he pay back after 6 months? Now here in this question we have given the principal is 700 rupees. That means principal is 700 rupees. Now rate is 8% per annum. 8% per annum. Now in the question the man promised to give back the money after 6 months, so time will be 6 months. Here time in months and rate is given in per annum, 8% per annum. So we will change the 6 month into year. So we will divide 6 by 12. So we will get half year. Half year. Now after that we will find out the simple test. So principal is 700 rupees, multiply by rate, multiply by time is half year, so half year. Now to find out the lowest term, 2 zeros to copy 2 0 of 700. Now 2 1 are the 2, 4 are the 8. What is left now? 7 multiply 4 multiply 1, 28 rupees. This is a simple test that he will have to pay. But in the question, what he have to find that how much money will he pay back after 6 months. So total money, how much he will pay back. So we have to find out amount. Now amount is principal plus simple interest. So principal is 700 rupees plus simple interest is 28 rupees. That is 728 rupees. That means after 6 months he will have to pay 728 rupees. So you can write, therefore a man will pay back the total money after 6 months is equal to 728 rupees. Now we have one more question is there. This is a similar type of question. Now Surender deposited is the part. Surender deposited 2500 rupees in a bank at 12% interest per annum. He withdraws his money after 2.5 years. Out of this amount, he buys an Almirah of for 3000 rupees. How much money is left with him? Now in this question, Surender deposited money in the bank. So principal is 2500 rupees. Then rate is given to us 12% per annum. Then after 2.5 years he withdraws the money. After 2.5 years he withdraw all the money. In fact, the money that he has deposited and the simple interest that he gets. Right now, 2.5 years, that is the time, that is equal to 5 upon 2 years. Now, after 2.5 years, how much simple interest he will get, that we have to find out. 2500 rupees multiply by 12 multiply by 5 upon 100 by 2 multiply 2. Now, we will stack up to 20 of 100 with the 2500. After that, 2, 1 are the 2, 6 are the 12. Then what is left now? 25 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5. Now multiply it, you will get 25 6 are the 150, 155 are the 750 rupees. So that means after 2.5 years he will get interest 750, and in the question what is given, that he withdraw all the money. That means he withdraw principal and simple interest. So what he have to find out? Amount. If you withdraw all the money, that means we have to find out the amount. So amount is 2500 plus 750 rupees. So it is 3250 rupees. This amount he withdraws from the bank. Now after that, what he did? He purchased a Almirah. So cost of an Almirah is equal to 3000 rupees. He purchased Almirah for 3000 rupees. So how much money is left? So money left, that is, he has 3200 rupees, 250 rupees, sorry, minus 3000 he spent on Almirah. So what is left now? 250 rupees left with him now. Now again we have some questions are there in words problem. It's a similar type of questions that you can solve. Now in words problem, here we have question number 7 is there. It is similar to D part of worksheet number 3, question number 4. Both questions are similar, right? You will do in the similar way. Now in this words problem, the first question is there, that is, name the 3 factors that determine simple interest. So while you finding the simple interest, which 3 factors are used? That is principal, rate and time. Now another question is there, find the amount. Here we have to find the amount. Principal is given to us and interest is given to us, right? So what is the amount now?